Hey guys, today I want to talk about casting in Python. So first step is to create this notebook. Need to click to the new notebook in Python 3. So there may be times when you want to specify a type one to a variable need a casting. For example, if you has this number and when you run this, when print this number, this variable, it will be 5, and I want to convert, for example, to float, so need a casting, so need to write this to convert a number. This example will be a int to float, and when print it is 5.0. For example, to convert this string in string to float, so it is the same. If you change this 5.0 and when we run, the result is the same. If you want to convert this string, for example, to int, need to write the int. Yeah, so it yeah, so it is a string to int, not in the string float. So it is a int number in a string, and I want to convert to int. So the output will be 5. If you change this, for example, to 3.6, so it is a float number and I want to convert to int, and we run, the output will be 3. Yeah, and if you want to convert, for example, to string, need to write the str is to convert string, for example, float to string. When we run, it will be 3.6 with string. If you change, for example, to true, the output will be 2 with string. If you write this number type, it will be a string. So thank you for watching and see you later.